Make up to $3,000 on autopilot regardless of where you come from, and best of all, for free! In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to make a lot of money with the website that most of you have probably never heard of before. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers, and now let's get right into the video. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. So let's go to this website called Kicksta.co. It's the website we'll be using to receive payments today. As you can see, this is a great website to gain genuine Instagram followers. And we know that it's authentic and legit since it's backed by a lot of major companies. As an example, consider Forbes. The problem about this website is that you don't earn followers by purchasing them. Instead, look for profiles that are comparable to your own, as their followers may be interested in your page. As you can see, what occurs next is that Kicksta.co handles all of the work for you. Kicksta will like posts from others who follow similar accounts to yours on your behalf. To gain the most exposure, simply keep adding related profiles. People will see you in their notifications as a result of this, and chances are they'll want to follow you back because they're following pages that are similar to yours. And as you can see, because you can interact with similar audiences, some of them will follow you back. Success is guaranteed as long as you post high quality content on a regular basis. So as you can see, you don't get followers on this website by just buying them. Instead, you get individuals who would appreciate your page to follow you. So don't worry, we're not going to pay for anything on the website, and we're not going to need any social media accounts. Because as I already said before, we are just talking about a free method. And of course, this begs the question, what are we doing here? How will we get paid for this? Don't leave just yet, because this is likely one of the best and highest paying methods on the internet today. And I'll show you how to find highly focused visitors. So now you must scroll down to the bottom of this page and then click on affiliates right here. This is where you will essentially sign up to become an affiliate, and you'll get an affiliate link as a result, and you'll get compensated every time someone signs up through that link. How? So take a look at the video below. This website provides 50% commission. This is why I stated that this pays really well. This is one of the most expensive websites and one of the websites that pays really good for affiliate marketing. Most websites will only give you 30%. However, this website will give you 50%. And in case you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, 50% commission means that you get to retain half of the money that a buyer you sent here paid Kicksta, which is enormous. Apart from that, they also have other very great features, such as a 45-day cookie lifespan and 100% timely payouts, ensuring that you are always paid on time. Monthly emails with great features and bargains can be found here, and you can see that you can actually get bonuses and get paid more money, which is awesome to say the least. Finally, you will have access to an affiliate management team with all of the fantastic features you've been looking for. You may read some testimonials and commonly ask questions at the bottom of the page, but I will not go through them. Instead, I'd want to show you how much money we're talking about, because a 50% commission is meaningless if the prices are cheap. When you click on pricing, you'll see how much money we're talking about, and you can see on this page that they have two price options, standard and premium, which respectively cost $50 and $100. So if someone chooses the ordinary plan, you will get paid $25, which is a considerable sum of money for just one customer. Not to mention that many will choose the premium plan anyway. So if you convince 100 individuals to sign up for the ordinary plan while ignoring the premium one for the time being, you will make $2,500, which is a nice sum. And furthermore, I will show you a traffic source that will allow you to reach literally thousands of people out there. Anyway, I have to mention something because it's a terrific feature that enhances the whole experience of the website. It is the fact that this comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee. guarantee. This is critical because individuals do not want to give up their money in this manner. And quite frankly, this is why if you inform them there is a 14-day money-back guarantee, they will considerably be more likely to give Kicksta a try. And I'm sure they want to keep using it once they see how much it's benefiting them. Overall, this website is wonderful to market as an affiliate, and you can earn money as a result. So right before I show you guys how to sign up and how to get traffic to your affiliate link, I want to remind you that we have more videos on our channel like you see on your screen. The goal of EarnPal is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos to ensure that each one of these methods work, so I would really appreciate it if you guys support the channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And now let's carry on with the video. To begin, go to this page and then click on sign up. Input your first and last names, email address, and password. Complete this captcha by clicking on the I'm not a robot. Tick this box and then click on sign up. Let me show you how to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Google, believe it or not, will come in handy here. Now, what we're going to do here is very similar to what we did in one of my previous videos. You want to search for a city or a town and business, for example. It could be gyms in a city or a store of some kind. I decided to look for bars in Philadelphia instead of literally any company in any town or city in the world. As you can see, when you search for a business kind, you want to go down and click on view all rights here. This will show me all of Philadelphia's bars. As you can see, there are quite a few of them. You must now select one of these at random and click on it. Your next step is to visit the website listed below, and of course this will lead you to their website. And we can see whether or not they have any social media accounts on their website. And most companies nowadays do so because they recognize the value and the significance of online marketing. The information regarding their social media can usually be found near the bottom of the page or the website. In any case, this page can be found here, and all I have to do is click on this one to access their account. However, not every business will have an Instagram account. The number of them depends a lot on the type of business we're talking about. If they don't have an account, move on to the next company until you find one that does. The second thing to remember is that you don't want to configure an account to have too many followers. They will not be interested in using Kicksta if they do. If they just have 10,000 followers, that's amazing. And as you can see, this one only has this many followers on their account. What you want to do is simply contact these folks and remind them that having more followers would make them appear significantly more enticing to future clients and will bring them more customers in general. This method is completely effective for you, and the reason for this is simple. Most businesses now have Instagram profiles. However, because we're talking about businesses, most don't have that many followers on those same accounts. The second and perhaps most crucial fact is that they will have a larger budget and some extra cash. This is precisely why they are ideal customers. They have the funds, but they will also require the followers that Kicksta will bring them. You get paid, they receive followers, which increases the number of clients they get. As a result, everyone will benefit, and you can simply repeat the process with other companies all across the world. You'll never run out of clients, and that's the most advantageous aspect of this method today. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, hit the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Like always, take care.